this video, we will be sharing with you how to make your own beeswax wrap. So things you will need: yellow beeswax. You can buy that on Shopee. Some pieces of cloth, cotton cloth. You can use any scrap cloth you have at home. Some parchment papers, a towel, and a flat iron. So first you will lay the towel as the main base layer for your project, and then you will put one sheet of parchment paper, followed by the cloth that you will use as the beeswax wrap. And then you have to scatter some pieces of beeswax. You can buy a beeswax bar and then grate some on top of it, but what I bought are pellets. So whatever you have on hand is okay. So this is how it looks like. You have to make sure that the beeswax are scattered on the cloth. After that, you will put another layer of parchment paper. Then you will start to iron. Use a hot iron to melt the beeswax and stick to the cloth. You have to make sure that the beeswax melts evenly and covers the entirety of the cloth. So once you're sure that 100% of the cloth is covered by the melted beeswax, you can start peeling off the first layer of the parchment paper and then the cloth itself. So the towel is very important because it covers your table from any melted or hardened beeswax. So here I am peeling out the first piece of beeswax wrap. So I'll be doing the same process for the next cloth that I will be doing in this project. So make sure you scatter the beeswax properly, evenly, then start ironing. You can use beeswax wrap for a lot of things, but they're mainly used for covering or wrapping of leftover foods instead of using single-use plastics, which are polluting our Mother Earth. We can use this beeswax wrap to lessen our plastic usage or plastic consumption, plastic pollution in the earth. So in a way, this project helps our environment against plastic pollution. You can make different sizes of beeswax wraps, but for this project, I'll be doing a medium size that can wrap fruits, biscuits, sandwiches, or some cookies. This is also a great gift idea, especially now that holidays are coming. So you can make it your own, add some personal touch to it, and give to your friends or family. So this is how they look like after drying for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you can start wrapping leftover foods or fruits in this and then store in the fridge. You can wrap your leftover brownies, or you can fold it any way you want. There's no one way, no correct proper way, as long as your food is properly wrapped. So there goes the brownies. Or if you want to bring your packed snacks to work, or if you're going out and you need some snacks along the way, you can use beeswax wraps to wrap your food on the go. And this is a leftover cucumber, so you can use it also any way you want as long as it's covered. So there. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos. Bye!